Welcome back to Unknown Millionaire's Portfolio, where we show you how to turn your money into big freedom using AI and strategy. Today, I'm giving you 5 passive income ideas you can start with just $100, ChatGPT, and Wi-Fi, and scale them to $1 million in the next 6 months if you stay consistent. Let's dive in. Number 1. Faceless YouTube channel. One of the fastest growing ways to build passive income right now is by launching a faceless YouTube channel, powered 100% by AI. Use ChatGPT to write high-retention video scripts. Use 11 Labs or Play HT for realistic voiceovers. Use Pictory or Runway to automatically create videos. Design clickable thumbnails with Leonardo.ai or Canva. You never show your face. The AI does it all. Pros. High passive income from YouTube AdSense, especially in finance, tech, and AI niches. Once videos are up, they make money 24/7. You can scale fast, multiple videos per week without burning out. One viral video can make $10,000 plus. A library of 50 to 100 smart videos could put you on track to $1 million. Number 2. Digital products on Gumroad or Etsy. Next, let's talk about digital products you can create with ChatGPT and sell passively on Gumroad, Etsy, or PayHip. You can create ebooks, Notion templates, budget planners, ChatGPT prompt packs, journals. Use ChatGPT to write the content, then use Canva to make it beautiful. Pros. No inventory, no shipping. Products sell while you sleep. One good product can sell for months or years. With just $100, you can test ads, set up your storefront, and automate sales. Sell 10 products/day at $30 equals $300 per day equals $9,000 per month equals serious scaling potential. Number 3. Passive monetized newsletter. You've heard the money's in the list, but what if ChatGPT builds the list for you? Here's how. Start a free newsletter on Beehive or Substack. Use ChatGPT to write 3x a week content around your niche, like AI tools, crypto news, or side hustles. Add affiliate links and promote products you don't own. Pros. Build a valuable audience. Monetize with affiliate links, sponsors, or even paid subscriptions. Email equals higher trust and higher conversion than social media. Grow your list to subscribers in a few months and monetize it for $5,000 to $15,000 per month, or sell the whole newsletter for 6 figures. Number 4. Blog or affiliate website. Still underrated, launching an AI-written affiliate blog that works 24/7. Use ChatGPT plus SEO tools like NeuronWriter to write product reviews, how-to guides, tool roundups. You earn from affiliate links and display ads. Pros. Super passive once ranked on Google. ChatGPT reduces content creation time by 90%. Easy to flip the site later for 30-40x monthly profit. You can start with $100 using cheap hosting like Namecheap, install WordPress, and scale to $3,000 plus per month in 6 months with aggressive posting and backlinks. Number 5. Sell AI prompt packs or templates. Last, one of the most low-effort, high-leverage plays. Selling AI prompt packs or plug-and-play templates. Here's what to do. Use ChatGPT to create prompt packs for YouTubers, marketers, real estate agents, coaches, any niche. Sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Package them in Canva or Notion for easy use. Pros. No updates needed. Make it once. Sell it forever. $10 product x 100 downloads equals $1,000. Repeat with multiple packs across niches. Combine that with TikTok or Pinterest marketing, and you have a hands-off system to generate thousands per month. There you have it. 5 passive income ideas that only need $100, Wi-Fi, and ChatGPT to get started. This isn't magic. You'll need strategy, testing, and commitment. But if you stack 1 or 2 of these and build aggressively for 6 months, $1 million becomes real. If you want me to go step by step on any of these models, Drop a comment and subscribe to Unknown Millionaire's Portfolio. Until next time, build smart, live free, and be yourself.